Sonia. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, Hobby is at home. Today Hobby will be following me to oil me for the first time in his life.
It's the first time following you, not...
That's what I'm saying now, like you'll be following me to oil me for the first time in your life.
Okay,
not like you've not been to oil me. You grew up in Port Harcourt now, so why would I even say that?
And we are the people, the plants.
See, guys, see, my hobby has blisters here.
Fever blisters.
Fever blisters. Okay. So anyways, we'll be going to oil mill.
But I'm fine.
So probably or possibly I'll have someone that will film me and I'll also film him because he's supposed to be my cameraman. At least, you know, those Agbo, they cannot challenge me today. Now at least I have someone that can challenge them too. So anyways, we'll be going to oil mill and let's see what we're gonna get today.
My face, Nadia face, the fear.
Anyways, have you said hello to them? Say hello now.
Everyone, a very happy Christmas season to you and a prosperous new year ahead. Wish to see you guys in 2024.
See this man, baby.
And the sky is just your starting point as you all are blessed.
I can use my nails to comb baby like this. Comb baby, this baby.
That's God's vegetation.
Anyways, guys, I love it you. We'll have to start going now. See you guys later.
I do.
My video.
I can always sell my video.
Pick any material. What did I carry passive? Oh, what did it? Pick any material.
That's the other side. And see, today we are meeting a whole lot of persons that I don't even understand. I don't even know what to say. So you guys are going to be enjoying this market vlog because a lot is coming. You can see behind. Everywhere is choked. Baby, say hi.
Hi guys.
I think that's my own. Don't worry.
That's my own.
Anyone, don't worry. Then they don't win. Not the measurement. I'm telling you.
That's about Jana they do for something. Yeah, but now make having the
Say make I put my eyes.
no Jana for this. Maybe men.
Even it's
We're at oil mill and we want to get some best spray. You guys know, if you leave me alone, I will just be managing my best spray like that, okay? But this young man said we should get new best spray. So they are doing the measurement already. Like I showed you guys in the clips before this one. They're doing measurement and every other stuff already. So we're waiting for them to like sew it for us with 4 pillowcases. Then we will now continue this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy what I'm bringing to you. If you've not subscribed at this point of this video, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe, like this video, drop your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. So enjoy more of this vlog, okay? Yeah. Oh my god, this sun, the sun is giving me the sunny vibes, okay? Baby, we're taking this way. Yes, we are done here, so we are going to another way, okay? Yeah. So on this lane, guys, we're already going back to the house. We are done with what we came to get. Yeah, so we're going back to the house and the rest of that. You guys can also enjoy the beautiful view. So if you know this particular place, let me know in the comment section. There's gonna be a price for it, okay? So anyways, this is just we going back, and then we get to the house, and this is the next thing that happened. Yeah, guys, so back from the market, and this market is just the best market for me. A lot of things happen, okay? Let me sit down and then gist you guys. Give me. See, when I was buying it, he said he will not eat, but now inch up past me. Harcourt. My tata. Go on, let me see your face.
Where am I black?
No, you like, I see your face. Guys, I'm just look at what happened. You see this man? Anytime I want to go to market, anytime I go to the market, and I come back, maybe I say one or like, oh baby, I'm tired now. I'll be like, it's not just normal market. It's not just normal market that me too I used to go. Today, I said since you're available, let's go. And you see this guy, this man, this husband, he was not eating something. He would just say, I want to fall, I'm hungry. I want to fall, I'm hungry. I want to fall, I'm hungry. He will go and buy watermelon. I want to fall, I'm hungry. He will buy this one. I want to fall, I'm hungry. That's why he keep buying. Once he buy, he will sit down one place and eat. Then this one I bought now, I told you, okay, let me buy this thing. It's a meat pie, it's like meat pie. He was like, no, I don't want to eat too. I don't want to eat too. And now I brought it here, he was the first person. Later he was not saying, hey.
I said I don't like it
You know what I'm saying?
on the road.
And the was not like,
How can I be chewing on the road? I'm moving in the market.
that's it. Why did you tell me that, oh baby, buy?
Doesn't
When
look nice.
you'd have told me that, oh baby, buy. When I go to the house, I'll eat. So guys.
No, hold on. Oh, baby, buy. Who bought it? Who paid for it?
And so?
But I don't have paid for it.
It's not too shall become
You're
one.
thinking that you're the one that is buying it for me. As when I paid, you collected and I paid. Collected too. I ate one, now you're sharing my own.
So guys, last, he don't know say market is not easy. He was not telling me that. Maybe they try.
I was already feeling sleepy before I went to the market.
You're not feeling sleepy. You were so tired, like you will be eating. Me, I did not even eat. If he gave me watermelon, I said no, I don't want to eat. I said no, I don't want to eat. He was like,
You must cast me in the public. End this vlog.
anyways, see, my material remain. We collect them. They get one lie say no be our own, but we collect them. We collect them. You guys already saw the bed sheet. We don't need to like bring it. Like okay, this is it now. This is the bed sheet. This one is Adidas. I love the fact that it's yellow. We don't have any yellow. This one, after we don't cut on this one, we're now regretting and we're seeing different colors because and I told him that this one is really rampant. Like most of the vlogs the one I go they see on YouTube, Facebook, everywhere, they used to have this one. But it's sure fine, sure. So it's okay. So they've already cut it and they started sewing it, so there's nothing we can do again. Subsequently we'll get better ones. For pillowcases, okay? So there's no need of showing you guys any other stuff again. At this point or at this junction, if you've not subscribed to this fine man's channel, you know that this one is a fine man. It's a fine behavior man channel. So
Only fine girl, only fine wife. No.
so if you've not subscribed, please do that. Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly do not forget to share, okay? Hey, I've never show you guys that I got my see this my this my anyways, I got this my we still have like 2 packs of this in the wardrobe where I used to keep them in the wardrobe, you understand? But anytime I see one, I used to collect them one. I want to pile up my like make my long like this in my house because this toothpaste my herbal has really been a great help to me, okay? Then I bought some small soup things that you guys already saw in the video, so there's no point of me doing that. I need to go and make soup right now and see you guys in my next video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
You have 10 minutes to make this because I'm very
Yeah, no further ado.
I do like
I'll
awesome
set my
videos.
I'm going to be, he loved that part. He loved that part. I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye.
Bye for now, guys. Love you.